Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a very comfort dish, quick for lunch or dinner, a pasta fettuccine with some prawns and vodka along with garlic toast. So let's start the prep. We'll start with fettuccine because homemade pasta would take the maximum time. I've got whole wheat flour since it's healthy preparation. That's atta. We've got 250 grams of whole wheat flour. For this we need one whole egg, 3 egg yolk, some table salt, extra virgin olive oil and some water if we need to make it moist. So we will start with making a well. We have to ensure that the eggs stay in this well. Yeah, so slowly we'll mix it. Add little salt to it, little extra virgin olive oil. So we'll leave this thing for resting about hour and a half. We need to wrap it nicely so the dough doesn't go dry. I will check the dough. It should come back slowly. It means we're ready. Now the pasta dough is well rested, so we start rolling it for fettuccine. Let's blanch the pasta now. The best way of serving pasta is al dente, which is just done, not fully cooked. It's just done. It's al dente pasta ready. Like I said, longer the better, give you the experience. So now we will add olive oil. Yeah, as we say, we never throw the pasta stock. Stock is as in which we have boiled the pasta, the same water. We always store the water. This we will use it in cooking. You know, outstanding flavor. So now I'm going to make the sauce. It's a prawn and vodka sauce. What we'll do is first we will make the prawns. We'll saute the prawns, we'll keep it aside, and then we'll start making the sauce. So the prawns don't get overcooked. So let's heat the pan first. Garlic is getting golden brown, and this is where I'm going to add these lovely prawns. Let them get seared. And now we'll take out the prawns. This is about 70% cooked. We'll take it out. The prawns are ready. Now we are going to use the same pan to have the maximum flavor in our sauce. Start with extra virgin olive oil. We'll add red onions in this. And this is where we're going to add the tomatoes. The tomatoes are almost cooked. I'm going to add some sea salt. Some crushed pepper that gives nice good flavor to the pasta. Some broccoli. This is already blanched. Cream in this. Now we'll flambe the vodka. This is the vodka. It's always better to cook the alcohol before adding to the sauce. Otherwise it kills the taste, kills the entire taste of the entire preparation. You have to burn the alcohol. See, once the alcohol is burned, it is the flavors which stays. Flambe the sauce. Now we'll transfer the sauce in a bigger container so that we can cook the prawns. So see, the sauce is boiling, and you know, it's always when you add the pasta absorbs the sauce, the moisture. So it has to be slightly watery. So that's why this is where I've added the pasta stock in this. It gives more flavor to it. And now I'm adding the prawns which are already cooked, about 70% to the sauce. Now we will make the garlic toast. So for the garlic toast, we need bread, sliced bread, we need butter, we need crushed garlic. So we don't chop the garlic, we always crush the garlic. It gives more flavor and the juices in this. Garlic butter is almost ready. So if you have unsalted butter, then you add little salt because I've used little unsalted butter. Let the garlic get cooked. You get nice good flavor of garlic butter. Add some spring onions. Add the pasta. Yeah, the pasta is ready. Pasta with garlic toast.